Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Once again, I'm getting ready for work. So my hair's a little messy. But anyway, I'm going to show you. I have to do this really quick because I'm running late as usual. But this is September Ipsy bag. This is what it looks like. I like the heart, the little tag here. I think it's cute. But the overall bag's not bad. It's probably not something I usually get. But I have so many of these bags. I can swap them out and everything. So, unfortunately, my brows are probably a mess. I'm just going to get started. I got to do this really fast. And I'm going to show you guys really quick what was in the bag. And I'm going to use those products. This is Beauty Volt. This is mascara. We'll be using that. We also have a lipstick. It says Rachel Couture, and it's in the shade Nude. We got a face exfoliator from Dr. Brandt. Of course, I can't show you guys this because not right now when I'm getting ready for work, but I just wanted to show you what's in the bag. And then we have an intense firming eye serum. And we also have a luminous priming base. And this is from Hey Honey. Okay, I'm going to put a little eye cream. Let's do the serum first. So I'm going to dab. Probably use too much. When you use products like this, even though it's a mini, you just use a little bit and it'll last you. I've had some of these products last a couple, 2-3 months because I have so much stuff. I just kind of swap them out and use different things. All right, just want to make sure that's in. And then I'm going to go over that. I'm trying to give it a second. Normally you would give it a minute or two, but I'm in a rush, so forgive me if it looks like crap. Then we're going to use the eye cream. Saturday Skin. This was my last video, I think. No, it might have not have been, but this is a moisturizer. It's to brighten up your eyes. I don't know if I showed you, but I'm going to put a little bit. A little bit goes a long way. And then I'm going to go in with the primer for my face. I haven't put my foundation on. This is the Hey Honey Prime Matte, which I love. I always have to use matte products. I grew up and I had very oily skin. So I'm just going to put a little bit of this. Oh, it kind of has a pink tint to it. It does. I see a little glow, but I don't know how that's going to work because I'm going to put foundation over it. I'm going to use these brushes. They're from Shani. I think I got them off Ipsy. I'm not sure, but anyway. This is kind of fluffy, but it's not too big. So I'm going to go in with the lighter shade. Yeah, it doesn't tell you the shade, but I'm going in with the shade. So yes, this might be a little messy, but what can you do? I'm always running late. Yes, I put stuff up my hair. I seem to have a cowlick or something going on back there, especially when I put it up. All right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with a smaller brush. If I can find it, I think I'm going to use this one. This is Anastasia. It's another dual-ended brushes. I love these things because you can have both ends. Like this is good for eyeshadow. And then you can blend it out with this. So it makes it a little easy and saves you a little time. So I'm going to go in with the dark shade right here. It's the last shade on the end. And I'm just going to... This is probably going to be wicked messy. Go in the crease. I dig right in the crease, and then when I blend, I bring it out up a little bit. I'm trying to do this better so you can got eyes and see what the heck I'm doing. And I would like to apologize for my last video. I was doing it in different steps. Like I was having, having to stop filming so I could kind of look at the look. So I think I might have to bring out my iPad or something so that when I look at looks how to do them, I'm not stopping and starting. I kind of just did it on the fly. I was hoping. Yes, I'm going under my eyes now. I'm doing things ass backwards. I just do this because I'm in a hurry and I'm just trying to save a little bit of time. If you can see, I'm not going to put a lot of color on my lid. I'm just probably using 2 colors. We'll see if I use a third. And I'm just blending it out. You're gonna make sure you don't have any harsh lines. But it's Halloween's this week, so if I look a little messy, it'll kind of go with the holiday. I was having so much fun. I was ordering, I don't know if it's a good idea, but I signed up for Temu, and I've been buying a lot of Halloween clothes. But I don't know. Some of them I could wear after Halloween, but people probably think I'm really into the goth, which I'm really liking the goth stuff. And I'm not one of those people that, you know, go with the trends and all that stuff and being told that, oh, you can't do this because you're a certain age. But I like, and I think everybody should do that. You know, oh, you get to a certain age, you shouldn't have long hair, and you wear too much makeup. Any of that stuff doesn't bother me. I've always been like that. Okay, so we're going to use the other end of the brush, and I'm just going to pack on a lighter shade. I'm using it right here. And I didn't cut the crease because I'm really running late, so I'm just packing that color on because I got to add shimmer. I always have to have shimmer. I'm a glitter girl and I love it. And I'll clean it up a bit. I'm going to go back in with that dark color just a little bit. See, I have to open my eyes and make sure I get it in that spot that tends to be bare. All right, then I go in with my setting spray. You can use any kind that you want. Maybe I can have the Walking Dead look today. All right, then of course I'm going to go in with the shimmer. And I'm trying to think because this whole palette, if you can see, has shimmer. I think I'm going to try the gold. It's a gold shade right here. It's so funny because I don't know which looks I create with what. I know the palettes, sometimes I don't use all the colors. And I'm just patting that on like this. Right over that light shade because I wanted something to stick to. And it kind of probably displays my mood, but I always want to put a little shimmer. Even if I'm having a bad day, because it just makes me feel better. Makeup is like creative painting, but you're using your skin. Yes, I know it looks like big ass applicator. But what I like, it's from e.l.f. And you can find e.l.f. at like CVS, Walgreens, or wherever you shop. You don't have to spend a lot of money to look good. Sometimes I do, only because I have this channel and I like to show you guys different products. Ipsy doesn't give me a lot of palettes. Like even sometimes they'll give me like a small one, but I can also add to my order, my Ipsy. And when you do that, it does add on a cost. Sometimes it even goes separately. You can get the products without getting your Ipsy bag. It's weird. You can add products right to your Ipsy bag, but if it's after a certain point or even before you get your Ipsy bag, you can add my mascara. And I believe this is just a black one. I like the tube. Beauty value. Some of these products I've never tried. Ooh, it's a very skinny brush, so let's see how this... I don't know if I like the brush. It's kind of flimsy and really skinny. It's skinnier than what I'm used to. Yeah, it kind of looks like someone punched me, but I don't care. I'll put a second coat. I don't know, it works okay, but I have very skimpy lashes anyway. I don't like how the brush is so flimsy. I probably personally wouldn't go and get another one like this. It's okay. I just don't like the brushes. Very flimsy. And yeah, this is the Maybelline Matte Poreless Foundation. The only thing, I love Maybelline, don't get me wrong. But I don't like I didn't realize, I just rather have an applicator. They do have foundation that has the pump. But this is like, you gotta kind of shake it to get the product out. And I didn't realize that when I bought it. But I'm not gonna waste it. Yeah, I try to do my makeup quick. So sometimes I get to work. When I go to work, I'm like, oh crap, I gotta blend it more. But I'm just showing you that you can get ready in a short period of time. I try to keep my makeup when I get ready for work to like 15-20 minutes. So I'm already going over a little bit. Yeah, it's like, I don't know why. Maybe I should put mascara on my bottom lashes, because without fail, it always, the minute I blink, it gets all over my face. If I was creating a Halloween look, I'd probably just leave it. And I just use a Q-tip. And it's okay if you dip it in some micellar water too. All right, I'm going to use the blush. The blush I'm using is from Tarte. It's a little cute mini. I love getting these minis. If you haven't, you should try. Ipsy is only $14.97, I think, a month, and you get a bag with 5 different goodies. Sometimes they give you a full size, like I did with that mascara. Put some on my nose. And of course, I'm probably doing things a little backwards, like usual. I'm gonna go in with some contour. Yes, before anybody says I am doing it ass backwards. I just blend it. I don't put a lot because I'm so pale. Forehead. I got a big ass forehead. Alright. Make sure it's blended. For some reason, I have more trouble on my freaking forehead. The lighting in here is great. Oh my god. All right. This is a kind of a dark look, but I wanted to show you guys that you can do a quick. Yeah, excuse that beep. I'll have to delete that out. It's just my sensor going off. Okay, so Now I'm going in with Rachel Couture matte lipstick. This one, you can do a darker lip liner than the actual color, but just for time's sake, I'm grabbing this. It's Nude Whisper. It's good to use a lip liner. All right, now we can go in with the lipstick. It's matte. Not bad. It is really nude, but nude lipsticks, it's always good to have a couple because nude lipsticks will pretty much go with everything. Like if you have bold eye like I did, I just prefer to have a nude lip. All right, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.